Inhale, head up. Exhale, round your back, looking towards your belly button. Repeat it. Inhale, head up, and exhale.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this time around we're going to be doing a 10-minute power yoga flow to help you invigorate your whole body and just get your energy level charging up. So guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get on the mat. So guys, we're starting off with some child's pose and puppy stretch. So you're going to start from child's for 5. This is a very quick one, so we're going to close up, come into puppy. So we're just stretching because puppy pose gives us that energy. Stretches our back and we're all ready to go. Now I'm going to push up to downward facing dog. Walk our feet to our arms. Push. Go back to high plank. Push down to downward dog. High plank again. Inhale. Exhale, downward dog. The last one, high plank. Hold your breath in for 5, 4, 3, downward dog. Now guys, we're going to step our feet towards our arms. Jump. Halfway lift. Inhale. Fold forward. Exhale. Sweep up a mountain pose. Inhale. Fold forward. Halfway lift. Exhale. High plank. Press down to low plank. Upward dog. And downward facing dog. Jump your feet back to your arms. Halfway lift. Fold forward. And mountain pose. One more like that. Fold forward. Halfway lift. Inhale. High plank. Press down low. Up dog. Down dog. Good job. The second one, we're going to walk our hands to our feet. Thighs together. Soles together. Chair pose. So guys, you can move side to side if your waist allows you. But if not, sit still. But with movement comes a little bit advancement of the pose. 3 more. 2. And the last one. High plank. Press down to low plank. Upward dog. And downward dog. Good job. Right foot forward. Warrior 1. Take 5 breaths here. Push back all the way to high plank. Press down low. Up dog in. Downward dog exhale. Left foot forward. Inhale, warrior 1. Stay for 3 breaths. High plank. Press down low. Upward dog in. Downward dog exhale. Walk your hands to your feet again. Thighs together. Soles together. Now guys, you are lifting up our left leg off the ground. For 5. So you're balancing on your right. For 4. 3. 2. Press down high. Press low. Up dog in. Downward dog exhale. Right foot forward. Inhale, warrior 2. Open. Try to sit still. Your right leg is facing 12 and you're just here. High plank. Press down low. Up dog in. Down dog exhale. Left foot forward in. Warrior 2 on this side. So guys, sit still. It's power yoga. Squeeze. Let the sweat begin to flow now. And slow down your breath. Back to high plank. Press down low. Up dog in. Down dog exhale. For the last chair pose, we're going to jump our arms to our feet. Halfway lift. Foot forward. Thighs together. Toes together. Chair pose. Now we are lifting up the right leg and balancing on the left. Good job. 5, 4. Go low if you can. 3, 2. High plank. Low plank. Up dog. And down dog. Good job. 3-legged dog on the right now. Right foot forward. So we're going to do this reverse warrior variation. This is my right leg. My left hand goes all the way to the back. And I'm squeezing in this reverse warrior. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. Press down low. Up dog in. Down dog exhale. Left foot forward. Inhale, reverse your warrior. So my right hand is going behind my back. And I'm lifting up. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press down back to high plank. Low plank. This is the last one. Upward dog. And downward dog. Well done, everybody. Push your shoulders away from your wrist. If you're finding it difficult to breathe, come into dolphin. Catch your breath. Woo. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Take a deep breath. Inhale. As you exhale, push back up in downward dog. Separate the arms. 3-legged dog on the right. Exhale, flip your dog. Lengthen. In wild thing for 3, 2, 1. Side plank on that right hand side. Beginners, if it is too difficult for you, drop into low elbow plank. We're going to stay here for 5, 4. Guys, we're sweating. 3, 2, and 1. Press back, high plank. Push down low. Up dog in. And downward dog, exhale. 3-legged dog on the left. Adjust yourself as needed. Flip. 5, 4, 3, 2. Side plank on that left hand. Beginners, this is too hard for you. Take the lower one. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press down high. Low plank. Up dog. And downward facing dog. Good job, everybody. Now we're going to come to high plank. At the count of 5, we're dropping our body weight down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and drop. Catch your breath. Inhale and exhale. Just relax your shoulders. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and if you enjoyed it, share it with others, and so you know when I post new videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.